Well, we've got our first few sweatshirts done here, front and back, right? We got the dark blue, which is our color, with the same color on the chest. Same with this one here. I think this, obviously, I have a soft spot for orange. Orange is my color, you know what I mean? Yeah, they turned out so far so good. This one here had a little issue with the where it stuck, but other than that, they're turning out pretty good. What's your favorite? Blue with white, blue with orange, or my personal favorite, the orange with the blue. I don't think any of these other colors would work on here as well. Maybe that one. This one I don't think would work too well on there. But I like this one. This is the one I want. Hang in there, y'all. It'll get better. Then again, this one here, the red, white, and blue looks pretty good. This is a used sweatshirt. This is one of my garage sweatshirts. I just wanted to try it. I've got a nice, relatively new red one in the house, kind of like the blue one that I did the first one. Now, this is on the front. This is on the back, with the crest, the left chest. Done. I think I'm going to try to do 3 this way, and I think I've got three of. Well, I got 3 more orange, and they're all XLs. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, XL and XL. So I may do two like this, blue on the back, blue on the chest, and then do 2 of them with the white, like this. Or I'm sorry, I got that backwards. Either I'll put the big blue on the front, and I could always put the small blue, say right here, on the top of the back of the neck there. I don't know. We'll see. We got 4. Maybe we do 2 each way. I don't know. We'll have to. Maybe we'll get the boss to check it out. And I'll come out tomorrow and finish this stuff up. This is taking a lot longer than I expected. It's the setup. It's setting it up and making sure that that it's straight, flat, and square. It's in the right spot, because once it's on, it's on. I'll tell you, I should have got the machine where this part, instead of rotating around like this, that's what I'm using. I'm using the iron to do the chest pieces. Instead of rotating around like this, it actually hinged up. That would be a lot easier to work with, but for now, man, this wasn't a cheap item, so we'll keep using this one. We'll keep running the guts out of her. Hang in there, y'all. Look at that. Look at that orange. Is nice. I don't care what anybody says. That orange, that's the ticket. That says fast. Talk to y'all later.